The AH64 Apache is a versatile and formidable attack helicopter used by the United States Army and several other countries. Introduction. The AH64 Apache is an attack helicopter developed by the American aerospace company McDonnell Douglas, now Boeing. It is named after the Native American tribe Apache and is often referred to as simply the Apache. First flight, the prototype, AH64 first flew in 1975 and it entered service with the U.S. Army in 1986. Since then, it has undergone several upgrades and variants. Role. The primary role of the AH64 Apache is to engage and destroy enemy armored vehicles, tanks, and fortifications. It is also used for close air support, air defense suppression, and reconnaissance. Crew. The Apache typically has a crew of two, a pilot and a co-pilot/gunner, CPG. The pilot sits in the front seat, while the CPG operates the weapons systems and sensors from the rear seat. Armament. The AH64 is equipped with a variety of powerful weapons, including 30mm 230 chain gun, a chain-driven automatic cannon that can engage both ground and air targets, AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, precision-guided anti-tank and anti-armor missiles, Hydra 70 rockets, unguided 70mm rockets used for a variety of purposes, including suppressing enemy positions. Air-to-air missiles. Some versions of the Apache can carry Stinger or AIM-9 Sidewinder air-to-air missiles for self-defense against enemy aircraft. Survivability. The Apache is designed to withstand enemy fire and has armor protection for the crew. It also features advanced avionics, sensors, and countermeasure systems to detect and evade threats. Performance. The Apache is powered by two turboshaft engines, providing it with a top speed of approximately 182 miles per hour, 293 kilometers per hour. It has a range of around 300 miles, 480 kilometers, and can operate at altitudes of up to 20,000 feet, 6,100 meters. Variants. Over the years, several variants of the AH64 Apache have been developed, including the AH64A, AH64D Longbow Apache, and the latest AH64E Apache Guardian. Each variant includes improvements in avionics, sensors, and weapons systems. Global use. The AH64 Apache is used by the United States as well as numerous other countries, including the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, Japan, Israel, Saudi Arabia, and others. Service history. The Apache has seen combat in various conflicts, including the Gulf War, Iraq War, Afghanistan War, and more. It has proven to be a highly effective and adaptable attack helicopter in a wide range of operational environments. The AH64 Apache is a vital component of modern military aviation, known for its firepower, versatility, and ability to perform a wide range of combat missions effectively. It continues to be a cornerstone of many armed forces around the world. The MY28, commonly known as the Hind, is a heavily armored and heavily armed Russian and Soviet attack helicopter and gunship. It has been widely used by various countries and remains in service today. Development. The MY28 was developed by the Soviet Union in the late 1960s and early 1970s. It was designed as a dual-role helicopter, capable of both troop transport and close air support. Appearance. The MY28 has a distinctive appearance with a tandem cockpit for the pilot and co-pilot/gunner and a cabin capable of carrying troops or cargo. It features a large forward-swept wing with hardpoints for mounting weapons. Roles. The primary roles of the MY28 include troop transport, ground attack, air assault, and reconnaissance. It can carry up to 8 fully equipped troops or a variety of weapons, including rockets, missiles, and cannons. Armament. The MY28 is heavily armed with a combination of weapons including JH-30K autocannon, a 30mm twin-barrel cannon mounted in a chin turret capable of firing high explosive and armor-piercing rounds. AT-2 Swatter and 8.6 spiral anti-tank missiles. These guided anti-tank missiles are used to engage armored vehicles and tanks. Rocket pods. The helicopter can carry unguided rocket pods, typically with 57 mm or 80 ms5 rockets, Igla or Strela anti-aircraft missiles. Some versions of the MY28 can carry shoulder-fired surface-to-air missiles for self-defense against enemy aircraft. Armor protection. The MY28 is heavily armored to protect the crew and vital systems from small arms fire and shrapnel. It can withstand hits from 12.7 mm heavy machine guns. Speed and range. The MY28 has a top speed of approximately 208 miles per hour, 335 kilometers per hour, and a range of about 280 miles, 450 kilometers. It can operate at altitudes of up to 15,000 feet, 4,500 meters. Variants. The MY28 has numerous variants, including the MY28D, MY28V, MY28P, and more. Each variant has specific improvements in avionics, weaponry, and capabilities. Global use. The MY28 has been widely used by Soviet and Russian forces, as well as by many other countries around the world. It has seen combat in various conflicts, including the Soviet-Afghan War, Iran-Iraq War, and numerous regional conflicts. Legacy. Despite being developed during the Cold War, the MY28 remains in service with many armed forces worldwide, and upgraded versions continue to be produced. Nickname. The MY28 is often referred to as the Hind due to its NATO reporting name. The name is derived from the Russian word grif, meaning griffin, a mythical creature with wings and the body of a lion. The MY28 Hind is a versatile and heavily armed helicopter known for its combat effectiveness and durability. It has played a significant role in various military operations and conflicts since its introduction, and its legacy continues in modern military aviation. The Kamov K52 Alligator is a Russian attack helicopter designed for reconnaissance and combat missions. It is an advanced variant of the Kamov K50 Black Shark helicopter and is known for its distinctive coaxial rotor system. Development. The K52 Alligator was developed by the Russian helicopter manufacturer Kamov, part of the Russian Helicopters Company. It is a derivative of the K50, with the primary difference being the two-seat configuration for a pilot and co-pilot/gunner. Role. The K52 is primarily designed for reconnaissance and combat roles. It is tasked with providing close air support to ground troops, anti-tank warfare, and air reconnaissance missions. Distinctive rotor system. One of the most notable features of the K52 is its coaxial rotor system. Unlike traditional helicopters with one main rotor and one tail rotor, the K52 has two counter-rotating main rotors on the same shaft, which enhances stability and maneuverability. Armament. The K52 is equipped with a range of powerful weaponry, including 30 mm Shipunov 2A42 autocannon, a twin-barreled fixed autocannon with a high rate of fire for engaging ground and air targets, anti-tank guided missiles. It can carry a variety of anti-tank guided missiles, including the Vika and Ataka missiles, capable of engaging armored vehicles and tanks. Rocket pods. The helicopter can be armed with unguided rocket pods for area suppression or anti-armor missions. Air-to-air missiles. Some versions of the K52 are equipped with air-to-air missiles for self-defense against enemy aircraft. Cockpit. The K52 has a two-seat tandem cockpit configuration with the pilot in the front seat and the co-pilot/gunner in the rear seat. The co-pilot/gunner operates the weapons and sensors, while the pilot focuses on flying the helicopter. Survivability. The K52 is equipped with advanced avionics, countermeasures systems, and armor protection to enhance its survivability in combat. It has a reduced radar and infrared signature. Speed and range. The helicopter has a top speed of approximately 196 miles per hour, 315 kilometers per hour, and a combat radius of around 200 miles, 320 kilometers. Variants. Different variants of the K52 have been developed, including the K52K, a naval version for operation from ships, and the K52M, an upgraded version with improved avionics and systems. Global use. While primarily used by the Russian military, the K52 has also been exported to other countries. Nickname: the K52 Alligator is sometimes referred to as the Black Shark in reference to its predecessor, the K50. The K52 Alligator is a highly capable and versatile attack helicopter known for its firepower and agility. It plays a critical role in supporting ground forces and engaging enemy targets in various combat scenarios. The Eurocopter Tiger, often simply referred to as the Tiger, is a modern European attack helicopter developed and manufactured by Airbus Helicopters. It is used by several European countries for a wide range of military missions. Development and origins. The Eurocopter Tiger is the result of a collaborative effort between France and Germany. The project began in the 1980s, and the Tiger was developed to meet the needs of both countries' armed forces. The helicopter is produced by Airbus Helicopters, formerly Eurocopter. Roles. The Tiger is primarily designed for anti-tank and fire support missions. It is equipped for a wide range of roles including armed reconnaissance, close air support, and escort missions. Variants. The Tiger family includes two main variants: HAP, Hélicoptère d'appui protection. This version is designed for the French Army. It is primarily used for anti-tank warfare and fire support. HAD, Hélicoptère d'appui destruction. The HAD variant is used by the German Army. It has a broader mission spectrum including anti-aircraft warfare. Armament. The Tiger is equipped with a variety of powerful weaponry, including 30mm Nexter M230 chain gun, a chin-mounted autocannon capable of engaging ground targets and lightly armored vehicles, AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, air-to-ground missiles used to engage armored vehicles and fortifications, Mistral air-to-air missiles. The Tiger can carry air-to-air missiles for self-defense against enemy aircraft. Rockets. It can carry unguided rocket pods for suppression missions, sensors, and avionics. The Tiger is equipped with advanced sensors and avionics, including a mast-mounted sight with thermal imaging, laser rangefinder, and other sensors for target acquisition and tracking. Crew configuration. The Tiger has a two-seat tandem cockpit configuration, with the pilot in the front seat and the co-pilot/gunner in the rear seat. The co-pilot/gunner operates the weapon systems and sensors. Survivability. The Tiger is designed to be highly survivable in combat. It features extensive armor protection for the crew, redundant systems, and advanced countermeasures for defense against threats like air defense systems and enemy aircraft. Speed and range. The helicopter has a top speed of approximately 190 miles per hour, 306 kilometers per hour, and a combat radius of around 500 miles, 800 kilometers. Global use. Apart from France and Germany, the Tiger is used by other countries, including Spain and Australia. It has also been offered for export to other potential customers. Combat history. The Tiger has seen combat in various conflicts, including operations in Afghanistan and Mali, where it has proven its effectiveness in providing close air support and engaging enemy targets. The Eurocopter Tiger is a modern, versatile, and heavily armed attack helicopter known for its capabilities in anti-tank warfare and fire support missions. It is a key asset for the armed forces of the countries that operate it, providing a significant contribution to their defense capabilities. The AH1Z Viper is an advanced attack helicopter operated by the United States Marine Corps and is a part of the H-1 upgrade program, which includes the UH-1Y Venom utility helicopter. The Viper is a highly capable and modernized version of the AH-1 Cobra. Development and origins. The AH-1Z Viper is developed by Bell Helicopter, and it is an upgrade of the older AH-1W Super Cobra. It is part of the Marine Corps' H1 upgrade program, which aims to enhance the capabilities of the aging fleet of helicopters. Role: the primary mission of the AH1Z is close air support, anti-armor warfare, and escort missions. It is designed to provide fire support to Marine ground forces and engage a wide range of targets, including armored vehicles and infantry. Performance: the Viper is powered by a twin-engine configuration, featuring Pratt & Whitney T700 turboshaft engines. It has a top speed of approximately 200 knots, 230 miles per hour, and a range of around 450 miles, 724 kilometers. Armament: the AH1Z is heavily armed with a variety of weapons, including 20 mm 197 Gatling gun, a 3-barreled electrically driven cannon that can engage both air and ground targets, AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, precision-guided anti-tank and anti-armor missiles, Hydra 70 rockets, unguided 70 mm rockets used for area suppression or anti-armor missions, AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles, air-to-air missiles for self-defense against enemy aircraft. Cockpit: the AH1Z has a tandem 2-seat cockpit configuration, with the pilot in the front seat and the co-pilot/gunner (CPG) in the rear seat. The CPG operates the weapon systems and sensors, while the pilot focuses on flying the helicopter. Sensors and avionics: the Viper is equipped with advanced sensors and avionics, including a target sight system, TSS, with thermal imaging and laser rangefinder, providing enhanced target acquisition and tracking capabilities. Survivability: the AH1Z is designed to be highly survivable in combat. It features armor protection for the crew, redundant systems, and advanced countermeasures for defense against threats like air defense systems and enemy aircraft. Upgrades: the AH1Z has undergone several upgrades to improve its capabilities and maintainability. These upgrades have included improvements to its sensors, weapon systems, and avionics. Global use: while primarily operated by the U.S. Marine Corps, there have been export interests in the AH1Z from other countries. It is seen as a valuable asset for nations seeking a capable attack helicopter. Nickname: the AH1Z Viper is often referred to as simply the Viper or Zulu Cobra, to distinguish it from its predecessor, the AH1W Super Cobra. The AH1Z Viper is a highly capable and versatile attack helicopter that plays a crucial role in providing close air support and firepower to the U.S. Marine Corps and potentially to allied nations. Its modernization and upgraded systems ensure its effectiveness in modern combat scenarios. The MY28, known as the Havoc in NATO reporting, is a Russian attack helicopter designed for anti-armor and close air support missions. It is a counterpart to the K52 series and has been in service with the Russian military and other countries. Development and origins: the MY28 Havoc was developed by the Russian company Rosvertol, a subsidiary of the Russian Helicopters Group. It was created to replace the aging Mi-24 Hind attack helicopters. Roles: the primary mission of the MY28 is anti-armor warfare. It is designed to engage and destroy armored vehicles, tanks, and fortified positions. Additionally, it can perform close air support, reconnaissance, and escort missions. Armament: the MY28 is equipped with a variety of powerful weaponry, including 30 mm Shipunov 2A42 autocannon, a chain-driven autocannon mounted under the nose for engaging ground and air targets, AT-9 Spiral 2 and AT-16 Viper anti-tank missiles. These guided anti-tank missiles are used to engage armored vehicles and tanks. Rocket pods: the helicopter can carry unguided rocket pods for area suppression or anti-armor missions. Crew configuration: the MY28 has a 2-seat tandem cockpit configuration, with the pilot in the front seat and the co-pilot/gunner in the rear seat. The co-pilot/gunner operates the weapon systems and sensors. Sensors and avionics: the Havoc is equipped with advanced sensors and avionics, including thermal imaging and night vision systems, laser rangefinders, and a targeting system for precision engagement of targets. Survivability: the MY28 is designed to be highly survivable in combat. It features armor protection for the crew, redundant systems, and advanced countermeasures for defense against threats like air defense systems and enemy aircraft. Performance. The helicopter is powered by two Klimov TV3117 VMA turboshaft engines, providing it with a top speed of approximately 200 miles per hour, 324 kilometers per hour, and a range of about 280 miles, 450 kilometers. Variants. The MY28 Havoc family includes various versions and upgrades, including the MY28N Night and the MY28UB training variant. The MY28NE export version has been offered to potential international customers. Global use. In addition to Russia, the MY28 has been exported to countries such as Iraq and Kenya. It has been used in combat by the Russian military in various conflicts. Nickname. The MY28 Havoc is known by the NATO reporting name Havoc and is sometimes referred to as the Night Hunter due to its night combat capabilities. The MY28 Havoc is a highly capable attack helicopter designed for modern battlefield scenarios. Its firepower, survivability, and advanced avionics make it a valuable asset for ground forces and a significant contributor to Russia's military capabilities. The AH1Z10, also known as WZ10, is a Chinese attack helicopter designed and manufactured by the Chengdu Aircraft Industries Corporation, KIC. It is a modern attack helicopter that serves the People's Liberation Army, PLA, of China. Development and origins. The Z-10 attack helicopter project began in the late 1990s and was developed by China primarily for anti-tank warfare, close air support, and reconnaissance missions. Roles. The primary mission of the Z-10 is anti-armor warfare. It is designed to engage and destroy armored vehicles, tanks, and fortified positions. Additionally, it can perform close air support, anti-helicopter warfare, and reconnaissance missions. Armament. The Z-10 is equipped with a variety of weaponry, including 30mm Type 30, one chain gun, a turret-mounted autocannon for engaging ground and air targets, HJ-9 anti-tank guided missiles. These guided anti-tank missiles are used to engage armored vehicles and tanks. TI-90 air-to-air missiles. The helicopter can carry air-to-air missiles for self-defense against enemy aircraft. Rocket pods. It can carry unguided rocket pods for area suppression or anti-armor missions. Crew configuration. The Z-10 has a tandem two-seat cockpit configuration with the pilot in the front seat and the co-pilot/gunner in the rear seat. The co-pilot/gunner operates the weapon systems and sensors and avionics. The Z-10 is equipped with advanced sensors and avionics, including thermal imaging and night vision systems, laser rangefinders, and a targeting system for precision engagement of targets. Survivability. The helicopter is designed with survivability in mind. It features armor protection for the crew, redundant systems, and advanced countermeasures for defense against threats like air defense systems and enemy aircraft. Performance. The Z-10 is powered by two WZ9 turboshaft engines, providing it with a top speed of approximately 186 miles per hour, 300 kilometers per hour, and a range of about 249 miles, 400 kilometers. Variants. The Z-10 family includes various versions and upgrades, including the Z-10 ME, which is the export version offered to potential international customers. Global use. The Z-10 has been exported to countries such as Pakistan and has generated interest from other nations seeking a capable attack helicopter. Nickname. The Z-10 is sometimes referred to as the Thunderbolt or Fierce Thunderbolt in English language sources. The K52 Z10 is a modern attack helicopter that enhances China's military capabilities and provides the PLA with a valuable asset for ground support and anti-armor missions. Its firepower, survivability, and advanced avionics make it a formidable helicopter in contemporary battlefield scenarios. The Thai Augusta Westland T-129 ATAC is a Turkish attack helicopter designed for various combat missions, including anti-armor warfare, close air support, and reconnaissance. Developed through a partnership between Turkey and Italy, it is based on the Agusta A129 Mangusta and is manufactured by Turkish Aerospace Industries (TAE). Development and origins. The T129 ATAC is a product of the Turkish-Italian partnership between Turkish Aerospace Industries (TII) and Agusta Westland, now Leonardo Helicopters. It was developed as a further upgrade of the Agusta A129 Mangusta. Roles. The primary mission of the T129 ATAC is anti-armor warfare. It is designed to engage and destroy armored vehicles, tanks, and fortified positions. Additionally, it can perform close air support, anti-helicopter warfare, and reconnaissance missions. Armament. The T129 ATAC is equipped with a variety of weaponry, including 20 mm 197 3-barreled Gatling gun, a nose-mounted autocannon for engaging ground and air targets, El-UMTA's anti-tank guided missiles. These guided anti-tank missiles are used to engage armored vehicles and tanks. 70 mm rockets. The helicopter can carry unguided rocket pods for area suppression or anti-armor missions. Air-to-air missiles. It can carry air-to-air missiles for self-defense against enemy aircraft. Crew configuration. The T129 ATAC has a tandem two-seat cockpit configuration, with the pilot in the front seat and the co-pilot/gunner in the rear seat. The co-pilot/gunner operates the weapon systems and sensors. Sensors and avionics. The T129 ATAC is equipped with advanced sensors and avionics, including thermal imaging and night vision systems, laser rangefinders, and a targeting system for precision engagement of targets. Survivability. The helicopter is designed with survivability in mind. It features armor protection for the crew, redundant systems, and advanced countermeasures for defense against threats like air defense systems and enemy aircraft. Performance. The T129 ATAC is powered by two LH Tech CTS 800 turboshaft engines, providing it with a top speed of approximately 175 miles per hour, 281 kilometers per hour, and a range of about 365 miles, 588 kilometers. Variants. The T129 ATAC family includes various versions and upgrades, including export versions like the T129B. Different configurations and mission packages can be tailored to meet specific customer requirements. Global use. The T129 ATAC has been exported to countries like Pakistan and the Philippines. It has generated interest from other nations seeking a capable attack helicopter. Nickname. The T129 ATAC is sometimes referred to as simply the ATAC. The T129 ATAC is a modern attack helicopter that enhances Turkey's military capabilities and provides the Turkish armed forces with a valuable asset for ground support and anti-armor missions. Its firepower, survivability, and advanced avionics make it a formidable helicopter in contemporary battlefield scenarios. The Denel AH2 Rooivalk is a South African attack helicopter known for its combat capabilities and indigenous design. Development and origin. The Rooivalk was developed by the South African defense company Denel Aviation, now part of Denel Group, to meet the requirements of the South African National Defence Force, SANDF. It was developed during the late 1980s and 1990s. Role. The primary mission of the Rooivalk is anti-armor warfare. It is designed to engage and destroy armored vehicles, tanks, and fortified positions. Additionally, it can perform close air support, armed reconnaissance, and escort missions. Armament. The Rooivalk is equipped with a variety of weaponry, including 20 mm 197 Gatling gun, a nose-mounted autocannon for engaging ground and air targets. Anti-tank missiles. It can carry various anti-tank guided missiles, such as the TOW and the Denel Mokopa, to engage armored vehicles and tanks. Rocket pods. The helicopter can carry unguided rocket pods for area suppression or anti-armor missions. Crew configuration. The Rooivalk has a tandem two-seat cockpit configuration. The pilot sits in the front seat, while the co-pilot/gunner operates the weapon systems and sensors from the rear seat. Sensors and avionics. The helicopter is equipped with advanced sensors and avionics, including thermal imaging and night vision systems, laser rangefinders, and a targeting system for precision engagement of targets. It also has a comprehensive electronic warfare suite for self-defense. Survivability. The Rooivalk is designed to maximize crew survivability in combat. It features extensive armor protection for the crew, redundancy in critical systems, and advanced countermeasures for defense against threats like air defense systems and enemy aircraft. Performance. The helicopter is powered by two turbo mecha Makila 1K2 turboshaft engines, providing it with a top speed of approximately 162 miles per hour, 260 kilometers per hour, and a combat radius of about 280 miles, 450 kilometers. Variants. While the Rooivalk was primarily developed for the SANDF, there have been discussions about export potential and future variants. Global use. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, the Rooivalk had not been widely exported, and its primary operator was the South African National Defence Force. Nickname: the Rooivalk is sometimes referred to simply as the Rooivalk, which means red kestrel in Afrikaans. The AH2 Rooivalk is a unique and capable attack helicopter that serves the South African military as a valuable asset for ground support and anti-armor warfare missions. Its indigenous design and combat effectiveness make it a significant contributor to South Africa's defense capabilities. Please note that the information provided is based on my last knowledge update, and there may have been developments or changes since then. The Kamov K52 Hokum is a Russian single-seat attack helicopter known for its unique coaxial rotor system and formidable combat capabilities. Development and origins. The K52 Hokum was developed by the Russian helicopter manufacturer Kamov. It was designed as a single-seat attack helicopter to perform anti-armor and close air support missions. Coaxial rotor system. One of the most distinctive features of the K50 is its coaxial rotor system. It has two counter-rotating main rotors on the same shaft, which enhances stability and maneuverability while eliminating the need for a tail rotor. Role. The primary mission of the K50 is anti-armor warfare. It is designed to engage and destroy armored vehicles, tanks, and fortified positions. Additionally, it can perform close air support, reconnaissance, and escort missions. Armament. The K50 is equipped with a variety of powerful weaponry, including 30mm Shipunov 2A42 autocannon, a twin-barreled fixed autocannon with a high rate of fire for engaging ground and air targets. AH16 Viper anti-tank guided missiles, precision-guided anti-tank missiles used to engage armored vehicles and tanks. S8 rocket pods. The helicopter can carry unguided rocket pods for area suppression or anti-armor missions. Crew configuration. The K50 has a single-seat cockpit configuration, with the pilot operating both the weapon systems and the aircraft. Sensors and avionics. The helicopter is equipped with advanced sensors and avionics, including thermal imaging and night vision systems, laser rangefinders, and a targeting system for precision engagement of targets. Survivability. The K50 is designed to be highly survivable in combat. It features armor protection for the pilot, redundancy in critical systems, and advanced countermeasures for defense against threats like air defense systems and enemy aircraft. Performance. The helicopter is powered by two Klimov TV-3117 turboshaft engines, providing it with a top speed of approximately 196 miles per hour, 315 kilometers per hour, and a combat radius of about 330 miles, 530 kilometers. Variants. The K50 Hokum family includes various versions and upgrades, including the K52 Alligator, which is a two-seat variant for the Russian military. Global use. The K50 Hokum has been operated by the Russian military primarily for evaluation and limited service. The two-seat K52 Alligator is the more commonly used variant in Russia. Nickname: the K50 Hokum is often referred to as simply the Hokum. The K50 Hokum is a unique and highly capable attack helicopter with its coaxial rotor system and advanced firepower. While it was designed for a single pilot, the two-seat K52 Alligator variant has become the primary choice for the Russian military due to its additional crew member for operating weapon systems and sensors.